In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you a simple and creative makeup look that you can carry to your parties, club, night events, birthdays, and you will look absolutely stunning. Hey lovies, how you doing? How many of us have missed the old way of doing this makeup? That's the very first way of doing it, like starting with your brows, your eyeshadow. That is exactly how we're going to do our makeup today. And for you, a beginner, this is for you. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Okay, so let's just move on. So we are starting with our brows, and the first thing we need to do is to put the brow hairs down with our brow tamer so that the hairs will be in place. They won't be flying up and down. After that, we take the setting powder, set the brows area. We take our finishing powder, put it right here. To outline, we're using David's pencil in color 3. So see that. I have detailed tutorials, not 1, not 2, not 3, on how to do your brows. So if you did not get everything here, please, you can always get it there. I'll leave the link here for you guys. I'm done outlining. Let me highlight. This pencil I used is giving me a kind of vibe I don't like. Maybe it's an old one. I'm using all these products because it's brows first. If I had done my foundation, of course, I wouldn't even use 1/3 of this product I use. No. For the front part of the brows, I'll be going in with my foundation. Yeah. Then you blend everything. What we are going to do is to set it to make sure that this concealer will be moving up and down. I'm doing that with my powder. Then the remaining concealer you apply here. You use it to blend the eyelid. So because I want to create a certain kind of effect on my eyes, I will be sticking some rhinestone on my eyelid before the eyeshadow. Yes. So let me start. So putting it here. Oh, you close. This is what I want to do it. So I'm done sticking the rhinestones. I hope that this works for what I want to do with it. I just pray that it works for it. So let's start. So let's blend this part. It's time to take out these rhinestones. I hope the idea was to put it there. When I remove it, I will have a round, bare skin there. But I don't know if it's going to turn out to be like that. I don't know if it will be a mess, but let's just take it out, okay? I'm going to use my finger to do that. Whoop, I got it. So let's take out the rest. So what we're going to do now is to add some colors into those stuffs. Yes, I'll be taking my colors from this lip palette. So I'll be going in first with green. Oh god. Okay, for this center, let's do white. And for this front one, let's do orange and see what it's gonna be like. We have to set each one with a color of eyeshadow. Yeah, let's I'm done setting all of them with the eyeshadow colors, so let's move on. Yeah. For this front one, I want to add yellow to it. I wanted to use yellow initially, but I had no yellow paint. It didn't come to my mind to use concealer and then yellow eyeshadow, but I want to add yellow to it because this color is like hidden. It's not seen. So let's see if this yellow will make it stand out a bit. Yeah, I think it looks better with a bit of yellow on it because the yellow is making it stand out. So for my liner, you guys know I always use Kevra gel liner. So let's line. For liner, I don't like long wings like that. I wing my eyes, but not too long. I don't like long wings like that. So. Going in now with my foundation, I'll be mixing two shades so that I'll get my perfect match. Yeah. And I'm blending with my beauty blender. And whatever that is left on my beauty blender, I'll put that on my forehead. Yeah, so once I'm taking this darker shade, not much, sides of the nose, and then forehead. I didn't add foundation here, but that doesn't mean I shouldn't contour it, okay? Blending that out. Just be fast. For my blush, just above the contour area, that is where you add your blush, okay? We blend again. It's time for highlights. I'll just take my concealer, add it here. Okay, let's blend. Let's start with this nose one because I don't know what I put here. So I added too much product there. So let's blend it out. Okay. I love the way this concealer blends out. It's time to set, and this is the setting powder we're using. This is the setting powder I'm using, of course. Pick dust off the excess. Don't go in like that, okay? It's not advisable. Can you see the difference between here and here? Can you see that? That is what setting powder does for you. Let's add some mascara to get rid of, oh shit, that entered my eyes, man. To get rid of any eyeshadow fallout. Okay, it is time for powder blush while we are still waiting for that glue to get tacky for the eyelash. So let's move on with it. Where's this hair from? For the lip, the eye is already sharp, so I think we should go for something nude, something soft for the lip. So I'll be making use of this brown as my liner. It's a light brown. So going in with this nude shade. It's been long I did my makeup following these steps, and honestly, I was forgetting some things. I was. Yeah. Okay. So to set the face, we are going with this dewy spray. Set. Let's just give this time to dry. Okay, look at what we created. I'm sorry about the sound in some previous clips. I am having some audio issues here. Please bear with me. So look at the look. One thing I love about it is how simple and creative it looks at the same time. It is simple and as a kind of creative. It's not that simple like it's just very good. I love the outcome. It's very nice. And one thing I have to say about starting your makeup with your brows and your eyeshadow is that it's more time consuming. Look at how gorgeous I look. Anyways, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so for more makeup tutorials. Okay, till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye. In front of the mirror, lights low and bright. It's showing shadows, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight.